अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है हम सब लोगों के। उम्मीद है आप लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और अल्लाह का शुक्र मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। सो टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सूरह हुमाज़ा. So there are some lessons. First, let me tell you, let me give you some introduction of it. When it revealed when Nabi Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was struggling with the elite class of Makkah, and they were not only destroying you, they were not only trying to make you fail in in some acts, but also they were trying to destroy you emotionally. सो अल्लाह ताला ने इस सूरत के में जो है वो इस क्लास के ऊपर भी बात की है, और देयर आर सम अदर लेसन्स दैट वी नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस सूरा. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट आवर वर्ड्स एंड एक्ट्स are responsible for any kind of harm that we do to others. It could be emotional, it could be anything. Mostly our acts and words are the one who destroy others and who hurt others, and emotionally the other person make feel bad, and we hurt someone's emotions with our words and acts. So we need to be respectful all the time, and we need to make sure that our words and acts do not harm anybody anywhere. And our deen has emphasized on this a lot. And the second thing is pride. तकब्बुर एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो अल्लाह ताला को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. एंड प्राइड, तकब्बुर इज़ द थिंग that can destroy us in this dunya, and it will destroy us in the hereafter. So what we need to do is we should remind ourselves all the time Allah's blessing. It could be wealth, it could be health, it could be status, it could be anything, right? And gratitude, शुक्रगुजारी is that one thing. शुक्रगुजारी और इनकसारी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको ना सिर्फ पीस देती है, सुकून देती है, but also it gives you it gives you a spirituality, like your spiritual health. जो है वो ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ, शुक्रगुजारी के साथ वो जो है वो अच्छी होती है. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम जो है वो अगले पॉइंट पे चलते हैं. दिस सूरा क्लियर्स दैट लाइफ्स मोटिव इज़ नॉट टू कलेक्ट सो मैनी थिंग्स. वी शुड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. This should not be the aim of our life. Our aim should be our aim should be it should be like we should be focusing on our personality, and it should be making our iman strong, and doing something that can be beneficial for us in the hereafter. So this should be the motive of our life, so that we can be successful in the hereafter, and of course we will be like successful in this dunya as well. All right, so examples from this surah realize us about we should focus on our doings, what we do to others and what we do to the blessings that Allah Ta'ala has granted us. So we should be focusing on on the circumstances and results that our acts can conclude, and we should ask Allah Ta'ala's rahmah all the time. So this Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Yasabu anna malahu akhlada. He thinks that his wealth will immortalize him forever, like he will live forever and he will never be forgotten. This is all that he thinks on the basis of his health, that Allah Ta'ala has blessed him, but he thinks that this is his efforts, we can call it, of course, that his effort, that he has collected so much wealth and he's so powerful now, and he's counting his wealth again and again. This is mentioned in the tafsir, and he's counting it over and over again, that he has forgotten the death. He's so much into the wealth, and he's so much into the power and status that he has forgotten what is going to be the end, and he has to go somewhere, and he has to leave this dunya. And he never bothered to consider that time when it will come. He has to go empty handed, and nothing will be he cannot take anything with him, and he has to leave everything behind. So this is the lesson for all of us. If we are pride on anything we have, we feel that this is my strength, and I can do this, I can speak in a good way, or I am so much famous, this is my status, and I have this much wealth, and I'm so healthy. This is all Allah Ta'ala's blessings, and he can take it back any time. जब तक आपके पास ये चीज़ें हैं, अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करें, और कोशिश करें कि उससे दूसरों को कोई ना कोई फ़ायदा हो. एंड आई थिंक you need to be remind yourself all the time that if he can give it to you, he can take it anytime. So nothing is yours, even your hands, your tongue, your eyes, these are not yours, and they are going to they are going to be against you at the end of the day, if you haven't utilize them in a good way, or you haven't utilized them to for what they are meant to. So take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when I am gonna post this one, but till then, Allah Hafiz. Like